What happens when you take 15 creators, all chasing the same dream, working with brands, building an audience, turning content into a career, and you put them into one house with people who've already figured it out, people who've built massive audiences, to find their own style and turn their creativity into a full-time career? Well, for the last 4 days, that's exactly what we did. Everyone worked on their own project, developing and shooting their own piece of content, building real connections and learning from people who've already done it. And somewhere in between all of that, something bigger started to happen. Welcome to the Motion Creators Experience Days.
Everywhere I go, heads turning, looking at me like, whoa. Whoa. Everywhere I go, heads turning, looking at me like, whoa. 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 Everywhere I go, heads turning, looking at me like, whoa.
What up, what up? Welcome to the crib.
What did you dress for, bro? This? 100%. Oh my god. You got short sleeves, I got short pants. Sir, welcome in, welcome in. That's are always here. Okay.
What bed you want?
I prefer this one, but if you is this your favorite?
I don't give a fuck.
It is an internal desire to make content. It is like, I have no other choice. I want to put myself out there, and that's the hardest thing for 99% of creatives, 99% of people, to put themselves out there in a consistent manner and saying, okay, well, this is me. My biggest challenge as a creator is right now a creative block. For the past, I would say months, I've been burnt out because I produce content to prove something, you know? To prove that I'm a freelancer worth hiring. And I got in that here and there. It has been inconsistent, and I don't want that anymore.
Being a creator in today's age is definitely something very different than a couple of years ago. The biggest challenge for beginners is finding a format that works on social media, that you can replicate, that people know you for, to get this trust, and finding this niche.
I've realized what I want to focus on more. Meet other people, other creators, see how they're doing it, and somehow overcome things which are hurdles for me. Getting a destination, what I should do the next 30 days, what do I post, and that's why I'm here.
That's crazy. What the fuck? Oh my god.
I do it to bouncers and night
That's crazy.
Wow.
No way.
I didn't see that. Do it again.
People want tutorials, they want straightforward answers, they want blueprints. But the reality is that there's no blueprint for your own luck, right? I think the main difference that separates motion creators from other online communities on other courses is making it about the people themselves.
Well, it's an idea that really fits to Lenny and his mindset of bringing people together. He's always been a great networker, a great connector, and if anyone is able to connect like great minds together, then that's him. Well, this event is different. It's not like the usual events where we meet at the evening or it's like just a day or whatever. Here, we are all in the same house. We wake up in the morning, we eat breakfast together, then we start talking, we start editing a little bit, we're exchanging ideas, inspiring each other. And at the end of the night, you know, maybe we'll drink a beer together and then we'll see each other in the morning again. And this creates like a whole different vibe and energy between everybody.
it shows you the whole like package of a human, and not just the one that you see at an event, networking, having a good time, you know, doing cool activities, blah, blah, blah. It's like the reality. You see people as a human here. And with that, welcome to the first shooting location. We have the car on a hill, and we have a sunset, and we have Mr. Motion Creators number 2.
Hopefully you guys see us because it's pretty windy, as you can see. It's a crazy wind.
It's about that time when the lights go up, you know that's my sign. Whoa. And I gotta feel great, cause everywhere I go, heads turning, looking at me like, whoa.
Yesterday was all about concepting, so I was trying to like give my input and like idea starters to each and every single one. And it's so cool seeing those little mini ideas that I gave them come to life as a developed concept. And then they're shooting the stuff that we talked about yesterday. They're putting their own twist to it. That's what I keep saying. Like, it's not about, you know, someone giving the blueprint. It's about someone giving you a spark, an idea.
Everywhere I go, heads turning, looking at me like, whoa. Whoa. Everywhere I go, heads turning, looking at me like, whoa. Everywhere I go, heads turning, looking at me like, whoa.
Wie du das Video geschnitten hast. Das ist alles Sachen, das kann man auch im Nachhinein so, hey, da will ich noch 40 Bilder machen, aber die Story, darauf kann man Feedbacks geben.
Okay, weil ich dachte, dass wir so ein Visual Treatment irgendwie.
Ja, das war der ursprüngliche Plan, aber ich merke, so alle sind an. Fuck. What the fuck? Alle sind an unterschiedlichen Punkten.
Creators are part of one of our core audiences. So I try to jump on every opportunity that's out there where I can meet creators and hear their stories and learn from them. And when I heard about this specific format, I was like, hey, that's spot on, let's test it.
It's so important for brands to show that they really care about the creative community, and as well, we want to be part of that world, and we want to show that at the end of the day, we are also humans. It's not a big brand yet. Of course, it's a big brand, but I'm also a human. I also have my own thoughts, my own aspirations, my own ideas, and I want to share that with other people.
Everybody brings their own little character to it and dares to present it or ask for help, and that's I think something very special.
Nobody knows each other, but now it feels like being on vacation with friends, and I think that surprises me the most.
We did a lot of brainstorming, and then we had the sales workshop. And I think that was the moment where people were like, okay, wow, there is value here. There's a brand here, there's a human from a brand, they get it. Where do you get that? I don't think there's any event where you can talk on a human level to a brand representative, face to face, sit in the same call, drink a beer with that person. For a creator who's just coming up. I don't think that's ever anywhere, right?
Yeah, I've been reflecting a lot. It's a creative reset and a creative jump in some sense. It's learning from the best, being with the best, and getting inspired from other people doing different workflows. Go to Spain, meet up with Lenny again, and all the other killers, and it was just 100% a no-brainer.
People who are here, they're like professionals in every single sector, and all together are like, they had like a synergy, and I mean, it's like one in a life chance.
To make different new things, I think that's very important for creativity, because if you only be by yourself, you only see what you can see by yourself.
In this type of event, you are directly with the original creators, and you learn so much faster than an online course. In a few days, you can learn like a few months of different YouTube videos, etc.
Being around others, it inspires me, it shows me what they can do, and if they can do it, I can do it too. And since my content isn't to their level yet, seeing their performance and their skills and what they do is something that guides me and pushes me forward.
Well, Alexa's special because she's still very young, but found her passion very early on. That's exactly like it was for me. When I was 13, I started to get into time-lapse photography, and I had no one helping me, right? I had to learn everything by myself with YouTube and by trial and error. And being able to help her where I can, go out her with the Porsche, shoot content, help her editing, and then seeing how grateful she is. Like she wrote me like a message this long, thanking me for helping her, and well, it fulfills me. It makes me very happy, like actually.
Man, to be honest, Lenny told me about this like 6 months ago. He told me, yeah bro, I want to make a live event. I enjoy teaching people so much. And I was like, yeah bro, that would be sick and stuff, but it's insane to see how this idea came from just like a rough idea to really execution, and also execution on this high level that we have here. It's really nice to see.
I click on a lot of ads and I don't think I've ever signed up for anything as fast as I signed up for this. There was this weird moment where I just looked at the plane and I thought, when you step onto that plane, I don't think your life's going to be the same. Like I'm getting like really emotional because I genuinely could feel it, and I think that's why I cried yesterday, and why I have this kind of feeling in me is that I feel like I lost my spark for so long, and now I get really emotional because I feel like the fire is just erupting, and it needs to come out of me. And anytime I write down an idea, like I get another one, and it's just this generator that's just fired up. So yeah, I stepped onto that plane and I just knew that my life would never be the same. I think every day it's just been proven. There's not been like a moment where I've regretted my decision.
There's like the saying that you really know a person well once you've traveled with that person. Between the stressful moments, between the happy moments, really getting to know the person behind the Instagram profile, behind the awesome viral video, understanding what makes that person tick. I think for me that's the point.
In a world where everything becomes more AI-driven and more automatic and, I don't know, technical, it's all about human connections and real-life events, right? So at Motion Creators, we're also gonna do stuff like this, where you have a lot of fun, and it's not all about working, it's about fun, meeting new people, creating stuff, and enjoying life.
It has been like one of the coolest experiences for me, like as a trip, but combining that with like shooting stuff and being creative with other people, you get industry inside connection here and real like hands-on experience from the biggest of the creators. It's literally like worth it.
I don't think any random content creator or business owner can just think up an idea like this. This is like life's work.
Like if someone invites me to go to Spain in a huge villa to meet amazing creators from all around the world and creators that want to learn from you, why would anyone say no to that?
I think it's so fascinating when you put like a bunch of creatives in one place and you fucking lock them in for a couple of days. Bro, the stuff that's created here is incredible.
I think for anyone watching this, if you're planning to come to the next experience days, just be aware that you will grow a lot. Like, be aware of this. This is like a disclaimer. You know, get as much input as possible from other creative people, and then turning that dream into reality.
Let's go. Faire un relais quoi.